everyone. In today's session of CCNA series, I will discuss network automation. Before we go ahead and discuss about it, let's have a brief overview of traditional network management. Cisco categorizes network management into two aspects: configuration management, operational management. Configurational management refers to any feature that changes the device configuration, whereas operational management or operational network management includes monitoring, gathering operational data, reporting, and alerting humans to possible network issues. Traditional network management has several challenges, starting with manual configuration and scalability issues. Traditional network management often relies on manual configuration of network devices, such as by using CLI, which is actually time consuming, error prone, and uh, not scalable for large or dynamic networks. While this can work well in smaller networks, but it does not work well in large enterprise and does not scale very well. Another challenge is limited visibility. Traditional network management tools may provide limited visibility into network performance, making it difficult to identify and troubleshoot issues quickly. Another challenge is management complexity. Traditional NMS have also been available for a long time and use protocols such as SNMP and NetFlow to gather information and reports on the state of the network. While SNMP uses MIB and OID to collect useful data and can also be used to push configuration to devices, it is not built for real-time programmatic access and it has limited functionality. SNMP also has security concerns and can be complex to implement and operate. Another challenge is resource allocation. Traditional network management may struggle to efficiently allocate resources such as bandwidth, which can be leading to suboptimal performance and user experience. Another important challenge is limited automation features. Traditional networks have limited automation capabilities and require significant manual intervention, leading to slower response time, higher operational cost, and lack of agility in adapting to changing network. Another challenge is it has a rigid architecture. Traditional networks have a rigid hierarchical architecture, making it difficult to modify or adapt to changing business needs. The use of network automation can help to reduce the obstacles faced by our traditional network management. Further, we will discuss what is network automation and how network automation impact our network management. So what is network automation? Network automation refers to the use of software and hardware technologies to automate the provisioning, orchestration, and management of network and their services. It has numerous benefits, such as it is efficient. Automation helps to reduce the workload and increase the efficiency of network management. Tasks that take hours to complete manually can be completed in just few minutes with automation. It is more accurate, like automation ensures that network configuration and policies are applied reliably across the network and are less prone to human error, which by default improves the accuracy of network management. It also reduces the risk of network downtime and improves overall network performance. Another benefit is scalability. Automation enables network managers to handle larger and more complex network with ease. They can manage more devices, applications, and users with fewer resources. Network development deployment changes, and troubleshooting can be implemented in fraction of time, and it is most cost effective as well. By automating routine tasks, network admin can save significant time and resources that can be allocated to other critical areas of network management. It provides zero touch provisioning that configures network devices automatically without someone needing to configure it locally, thereby reducing the operational expenditure, especially for service provider and enterprise. It has improved security. Automated system can quickly identify and address security issues, reducing the risk of network breach. This reduces the impact of any breaches that do occur, protecting data and system. Another benefit is it's very fast. Automation allows network management tasks to be performed much faster than manual methods. Changes to network configuration or policies can be implemented in real time, reducing downtime and improving responsiveness to challenging network conditions. And the last benefit is resource optimization. Automation helps optimize the use of network resources such as bandwidth and computing resources. It can dynamically adjust network setting based on real-time traffic and performance data, improving resource utilization and users experience. So with all these benefits, let's go ahead and compare the traditional network with controller-based networks. Traditional network, let's take a criteria of operational model. In traditional network, it is focused on devices. Traditional network are also known as standalone or distributed network. Network architecture, these are network architecture in which individual network devices such as switches and routers are managed independently. Each device is responsible for performing specific functions such as forwarding traffic, making routing decision, and providing network security. Whereas controller-based network are focused on network. Controller-based networking, on the other hand, is an architecture in which central controller is used to manage multiple network devices such as switches and router. The controller here acts as a single point of management for the entire network. Rather than in traditional, every device is managed independently. So traditional network acts as it uses controller which acts as a single point of management for the entire network, providing a unified view of the networking and enabling centralized control and configuration of network devices. It uses new and improved operational models that allow the configuration of the network rather than per device configuration in traditional architecture. Device management in traditional network here is each network device is managed independently, as I said, whereas in controller based network all devices are managed centrally through the controller. Scalability in traditional network can be challenging. As the number of network devices increase, the complexity of the network grows. Whereas in controller-based network, scalability is easier, as the controller provides a centralized management interface that can manage large number of network devices. If you see at agility point of view, traditional network can be slow to respond to changing network condition, as each device must be configured independently. Whereas in controller-based network, changes can be made very quickly and efficiently through the central controller. Uh, in controller-based network, actually, network devices are configured through southbound APIs, resulting in more consistent device configuration, fewer error, and less time spent troubleshooting the network. If you look at the network visibility in traditional network, it can be difficult to get a complete view of the network as information is spread across multiple devices. Whereas in controller based network, the controller provides uh, complete data, enabling network administrator to quickly identify and resolve issues. In traditional network, you need to configure each port manually, for example, like an access port or trunk port or routing protocol configuration or updating ACL, everything has to be done manually. Like configuration changes, as I said, like VLANs, updating ACL, modifying routing tables are typically done manually on each device. This process can be time consuming, error prone, and challenging to manage in large networks. Whereas in controller based network, you can apply it as policies. SDN, for example, uses policy based configuration where network policies are defined centrally and applied network wide. So, policies can be based on factors such as traffic patterns, application requirements, and security needs. Overall, controller based network offer uh, numerous advantages over traditional network. Another one I will tell you is maintenance cost. In traditional network, it is higher as you are maintaining every device separately, whereas in controller based network, it is less compared to traditional architecture. So as I said, overall, controller based network offer numerous advantages over traditional network. Because it improves scalability, it increases agility, and enhances network visibility. In summary, I would say configuration in traditional network is manual and device centric, while in controller based network is centralized, policy based, and programmable. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you for watching.